Welcome to our How to Apply Touch-Up Paint guide. We hope these tips and tricks will help you get the best results when using car touch-up paint. This method can be used to touch up any bumps or scrapes you may have on your car's bumpers or bodywork. First, we apply a compound polish to remove any impact residue from the repair area. Apply the compound polish to the cloth or polishing pad and work into the area. Rub the area until the compound is absorbed. Use a clean section of cloth to remove any remaining polish. Repeat as necessary. This technique will remove any impact residues and provide an excellent area for paint application. It also softens the edges of any existing chips or scratches. When the impact residues and any lighter scratches have been removed, only the main deeper scratches from this impact remain. Our best tip for using touch-up paint is to try to use as little paint as possible. By preparing in this way, only the minimum area will need to be painted. Now you have cleaned and prepared the repair area, it is time to apply the touch-up paint to the remaining scratches and chips. Apply the touch-up paint very carefully, always try to keep the paint inside the scratch or chips. When touching up a larger area like this, a good tip is to pour a small amount of paint into the cap of the touch-up bottle. This will allow you to pick up a small amount of paint for each application. Before applying, remove any excess paint from the brush on the rim of the bottle or cap. Try to use as little paint as possible, building thin, accurate layers. Allow the paint to dry for approximately 30 minutes. After you have waited for the initial coat to dry, apply further coats of paint. Our paints are designed to be slightly translucent. This will help blend your touch-ups into your existing paintwork. By applying the paint in thin coats like this, you can slowly build coverage of the deeper chips, while blending into the surrounding area with any slight overspill. Each paint layer will appear lighter when wet, and dry darker. When covering an exposed darker or lighter primer, several coats will be needed to obtain coverage. This repair with a red metallic paint took approximately 3 to 4 coats to obtain full coverage of the very deep scratches. Generally, most colors will gain coverage in around 2 to 3 coats, but this can vary depending on each individual repair. After you have finished applying your paint layers, you can polish the area to enhance the gloss if required. Wait at least 48 to 72 hours before applying a very light application of compound. Be sure to apply only a very small amount of polish and work in very gently. Buff the area with a clean section of polishing cloth to finish. Thank you for watching our touch-up paint repair video. We hope this video displays the vast improvement that can be achieved with a little patience. Whether you are repairing a bumper scuff or another area of your vehicle, our easy-to-use kits can really save you hundreds of pounds with great results. Please visit touchuppaintking.co.uk to order and for more information.